Hello friends, today's topic, are you ready for bear markets? 4 things to check. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. There is a very famous quote, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. This is very true in life and in stock markets. If you don't have enough knowledge or experience, you will not be able to take maximum benefit from stock markets. Preparation in stock markets should be in two ways. One, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, awareness of the past statistics of stock markets. Two, mindset and behavior, mentally being prepared to experience significant fall in portfolio value, controlling emotions in all phases of market. In order to ask yourself whether you are prepared to see both ups and downs in the stock market, you need to check the following. Number one, are you mentally prepared to see 25% fall in portfolio value? Many new investors have not had the experience of seeing significant fall in portfolio value. When you see your investment value down by 10, 20, 30%, you will feel quite stressed, scared and sad. With just a 10% fall in Nifty index, many investors are already not comfortable with the damage to their portfolio. If there is further fall in our markets, it will be very important to manage our emotions. We had mentioned in our videos around 2 to 3 months back itself that to feel comfortable with the market fall, you need to be able to mentally visualize a 25% fall in your portfolio value. Once you visualize one of the worst case scenarios, then you will not panic if and when it actually happens. As long as you have invested in fundamentally strong companies or good mutual funds, after sufficient research, market falls are temporary if your vision is long term, such as 10, 20, 30 years. Number two, have you borrowed money to invest in stocks? We have seen many comments where people have mentioned that they have borrowed money and invested in stocks in the bull market phase. Already, such investors may be repenting that they borrowed and invested since the stock prices have fallen, and at the same time, they need to repay the loan too with interest. If you want to sleep peacefully at night and not worry about what happens in stock markets, then never borrow and invest. Just invest the money you have and have a long vision so that short-term fluctuations don't bother you. 3. Have you over-invested in stock markets? In bull markets, investors are tempted to invest majority of their savings in stocks. In some of our surveys in our channel, we have seen people stating that 80 to 90% of their total savings have been invested in stocks itself. When markets crash, they end up making a huge notional loss and are not able to handle the mental stress. Ideal asset allocation is bank balance and PPF 10%, gold 5%, real estate 50%, mutual funds and stock markets 35% out of the total 100%. Number 4, do you have sufficient knowledge of fundamental and technical analysis? Apart from behavioral aspects, sufficient understanding of fundamental and technical analysis very important to face all the ups and downs in the stock market in the long term. Many people are asking when markets will recover or when bear markets end have not studied history of stock markets. Warren Buffett says what we learn from history is that people don't learn from history. Even though these are things every investor must be aware of, most people are in a hurry to invest without gathering some level of knowledge before they start. Do an honest self-review of your mental and technical preparedness towards market so that you will never be tensed about investment. At the end of the video, here is a question. Out of these 4 important points, how many points have you followed as of now? Type the number of points. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.